welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, I want to give a huge shout out to Kalisto the wrestler for giving me this wonderful mask. He knew I was a lucha, so he gave me this mask, and I want to give a huge shout out to Kalisto. Thank you for the mask. Also, I want you guys to know we are making slime today. With this slime kit I got at Target today. I also want to say hello and welcome back to my Lucha Bros and to my Lucha Sissies. I am so excited to be back. I know I haven't posted in a while. I've just been so busy with a lot of stuff going on in my life. But I'm so excited to be back. Before we get started, I want to see if you can like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications in just 4 seconds. And I want you to do that with your pointer finger. 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Hope you guys were able to do that challenge, and we'll get started. Let's go. Okay, the first time we're gonna make is with glitter glue, some clear glue, and a cherry limeade scented activator. We're gonna be using these tools, this bowl, and these 2 mixing tools. Let's get started. First, we gotta get the glue out of the bottles, which is the hardest part. And this glitter glue does not come out easy, and I know this because of how many slimes I've made with glitter glue. It's the hardest to get out. Whew. Okay, glitter glue is coming. The hardest to get out though. Oh, here it comes. Here's the glitter glue. It's coming. I love glitter glue. It's the coolest. I'm only going to use a little bit of glitter glue. I just need this to come out. I'm gonna use this to get it there. We're gonna make a little slime for our first slime. So we gotta get this glue out. It's taking a hard time for this glitter glue to come out of the bottle. I know glitter glue is the hardest to get out of the bottle. I love making slime though, so I do work with glitter glue a lot. The easiest way to get it out is just pounding it on something so that the glue comes down. Next, we're going to use some clear glue, just a little bit, so that it comes a little bit clear. And this stuff is one of the easiest glues to get out because of how clear it is. We're just gonna use a little bit of this. Okay, then we are going to mix with the activator. Let me get the activator real quick. Here it is. It is a cherry limeade activator. Let's do this. Just 2 drops. And let's mix it with our mixing tool. This is going to be a super tiny slime because I just want to test this slime kit out and see what slime it can make. I think we can actually start mixing with our hands. Ooh, it's so very gluey. This is some hard mixing right here. Because of how small this slime is, it's hard to mix. It's becoming slime. I'm going to mix and come back and show you guys the slime. Okay, I am done mixing the slime. It is such a tiny slime, and I love how tiny it turned out. And see how cute it is and tiny, and I love it. It is so cute. And the next slime we're going to make is with, let's do glow-in-the-dark glue. Let's get to it. I'll come back and start doing the next slime. Let's go. Okay, the 2 things we're going to be using is glow-in-the-dark glue and glow-in-the-dark activator and just the tiniest bit of clear glue. Let's get to it. Okay, another hard one to do is glow-in-the-dark glue. Ooh. This one has probably been used before, but that's okay. My sister gave me her old slime kit, and I couldn't, this was from Target, I got today. Okay, we got, this is so hard to get out of the bottle. This is so hard to get out of the bottle. If you guys could choose any type of slime, all these slimes at the end, which one would you pick? I don't have comments, so I don't think you can say that in the comments. Oh my goodness, this slime won't come out of the bottle. Is it even glue anymore? Yeah, it's still glue. This is so hard to get out of this bottle, man. I wish you guys were here to see how hard it is to get this slime out of this glue out of this bottle. So freaking hard. Okay, it's coming down out of the bottle, but it's so hard to get it out. Okay, we're almost there. Well, we're gonna have to do another glue because this glue is not coming out. Let's do this glue. It's a washable glue, I think. So we're gonna use this one. Okay, just a little bit more. Kind of looks like dish soap. Whoop. Kind of looks like dish soap. I think I just said that, but that's okay. Then to make it glow in the dark still, because the glow in the dark glue didn't let it come out, we'll use some glow in the dark activator. Ooh, it's a little too much. Actually, it's not, because the little tiny slime took like 10 pumps of activator to get activated. So I hope this thing will activate easily so that I can show you in one clip. Ooh, it's actually already getting activated. That's really good. Still looks like this though. So hopefully it will start activating. Just gotta mix it around. I'm just gonna add a little tiny drop more of this activator. And activate. Here we go. Alright. This is the slime right now. It is not the best, but it is okay. Still trying to get this thing to not be like glossy or whatever, because it is very, very, very glossy. It literally has 2 parts of slime. Like, I can't put them together. Ugh. Let me just show you guys real quick. Look at this slime so far. Like, I don't know. This is a close-up. This really, I think I might have overactivated it. But that's okay. We can add more glue and make it less activated, because glue makes stuff less activated. So we're just gonna add the tiniest bit of clear glue to this. We're gonna even do this. We're gonna open it up. And have it like this. And we're just gonna mix this in. You guys, I don't know if this slime worked out, but hopefully you guys see it doesn't work out the best, but it's a good slime overall. I love to make slime, but I think I overactivated this one a little too much. I still made another slime off camera, and I really like this one. It's this really pretty color. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to mix 2 of my slimes together. I don't know if this is a good idea, but we're going to do it. So we're mixing the glitter and the styrofoam ball with purple. It looks a lot cuter with little styrofoam balls in it. And you know what? This one is still overactivated, so I can't mix it. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Which would you pick? 1, 2, or 3? This one mixed together, or this one by itself, or them all together? Choose which one you want. And bye-bye. See you guys in the next video. And always remember, stay Lucha.